different look for me today, because we're on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Cool bikes here today. Yeah. Thankfully the weather's nice. So a bit of an updatey thingy, I guess. Only a quick one. First cab off the rank. I received a nice package in the mail from one of my subscribers, who I also consider to be a mate, in Moto Minx. And Moto Minx sent down a cap and a subby cooler and a key ring, which is now adorning my Ducati, and a beautiful handmade bonsai tree, which is something that she does. They're all made out of copper wire and glass beads and painstakingly put together. You want to shoot over to her YouTube channel. I think she's got a video or two on stringing them together. Be interested to see how they're made. So thank you, Minx. On a personal perspective, I congratulate my daughter, who just bought her first house, which is a massive move, of course, and something she should be incredibly proud of. And my son, you remember he had his W400 stolen. It was uninsured, so he's got to lump that, but he's replaced it. But he didn't buy a dirt bike, he's bought himself his first ever road bike, and it's an FZ1. FZ1R, are they? FZR? I can't remember whether it's an R or an S. Essentially, they run the same engine as the early R1, so they're a flat plane. Those engines predate the cross plane, but yeah, so they're a flat plane inline 4-cylinder. I think they run about 40% heavier crankshaft, and with some slightly different gearing. They're making them a little bit more responsive in the mid-range. 1000, I'll get back on that soon. We're up to Melbourne next weekend to go and watch the wrestling, the WWE, so there'll be nothing happening there. So it's fair to say that it will progress. I'll take the time to thank everybody that has sponsored me on this event. Hobart Ride, we managed to raise about 14,000 bucks, a bit over 1,000, and nearly $1,100 of that was with me, and I got third place in the fundraising on the Hobart Ride. So that's quite satisfying. I didn't put as much effort into it as I did the previous time I did this ride in terms of fundraising. I think the previous one I raised over $3,000. But it's still, you know, significant enough. It's an excellent cause. But for now, I'm just going to go and enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.